1, sir, need natin i-retrieve lahat ng primary products na nasa database. Then, kailangan natin i-organize lahat based on size. Tapos, para ma-retrieve lahat ng primary products na nasa database at organize sila based on size, kailangan mo munang i-select yung product name at size galing sa product cart na table. Tapos, gumamit ako ng IN operator para ma-select ang column ng C_ID galing sa product cart. And then, gumamit ako ng group by statement para pagsama-samahin yung product name. At order by naman para masort yung product name at size. Number 2 naman, sir, obtain product set to expire in August from the product table. Para makuha yung mga products na mag-expire sa August, sa month ng August from the product table. Una, sinelect ko lahat ng galing product kung saan yung month mag-expire sa August, which is number 8. Number 3, calculate the total sales from the product cart table including product name, size, and quantity. Para makalculate ang total sales galing sa product cart table na ilalabas kasama ang product name, size, at quantity. First, select the product name, then size, and then sum yung product quantities and then multiply by total. Ginamit ko yung as statement o as statement to give a column a temporary name na total. I-select yung lahat ng values from the product cart and then ginamit ko yung group by statement para magsama-sama yung mga total ng product name at size. Number 4, retrieve all records from the sales table and group them by date. Para ma-retrieve lahat ng records from the sales table and para mag-group sila by date, una, sinelect ko yung date and ginamit ko yung as statement para sa sales date. And then, gumamit ako ng count statement para mabilang lahat and then gumamit ako ulit ng as para sa number of sales and then group by naman para sa date. Number 5 naman, determine the number of entries in the product cart table. Para matotal yung entries galing sa product cart table, naglagay ako ng count statement sa product cart table para mabilang lahat yung entries na nakalagay sa loob. And as naman for temporary name para sa number of entries.
Thank you for watching.